I have enough to buy a hero. Forgot about that.
But which one? Vikings, Chapter 2.
I might get... Warmonger. Or Blackbriar.
Which one's Warmonger? Oh, okay. You don't have to answer that.
Alright. Maybe Blackbriar. I like swords and shields. Yeah, go ahead.
Tell me when you're ready.
Should
Let me make sure that we are on realism.
Should be Vikings now.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Steady. Go. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and have on just in case. I want to be able to know if anything's happening.
Alright, I'm just looking at it here.
That and that. I myself will be first viewer on my stream.
Are you ready?
Why would you want streamer girls' eyes
What?
when you can have two playing a video game?
I will be looking at streamer girls.
Alright.
Don't lie, you're also
No, actually watching my stream.
I'll watch it.
I'm watching my own stream. Yeah.
I was
That's all
subscribed.
Can't wait to hear that. There it goes. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Alright.
The years since Apollyon came. Our people starved.
Just suffer.
The worst of us fell on each other. Like beasts. Growing fat on their own people's misery. Ragnar was one of those. Let's feast!
I forgot I actually have to turn the audio down.
And so
The
I
the
came
music.
down from the mountains. I joined the Warborn. And then we did something about it.
Shit.
Alright,
You want to-
give me one. You're gonna need to go up and fight real quick. I need to turn down the music on this
Oh shit! Oh shit!
because yeah, I got a copyright strike. No, not a copyright strike, but I got a thing telling me that I had copyrighted music in the
What do you mean?
oh fuck.
So what are you gonna do?
I just turned the music down. That's all I did. You don't have to do it because it's not
Recording my end.
yeah, it's not recording the stuff on your end. It's only recording what I'm listening to.
Charles,
I set myself on fire and
I
I'm
need help.
dying. Oh no. It's our worst nemesis, a Valkyrie.
yeah, you greedy
Let's
bitch.
make sure she dies properly. Uppercut. Wax on,
Oh shit!
wax off. Isaiah, cut the wood. Cut the wood.
That gate. Let's burn it.
We
Cut the wood. Cut the wood.
cut the wood.
Cut the wood. Cut the wood. Cut the wood. Oh my god, it's so good.
Now we found our spam move. Where are we going? Over here? Or, oh.
Yeah. Yeah, you should have fire bombs in your inventory. You just gotta burn the places down. I was wrong. We need to check those barrels on fire. What button
Did
was
you
it?
also press X?
No, I was on the other side of the barrel, and apparently it wasn't letting me do shit.
Come. It's what we came for. Let's find the rest. For our
You throw the fire again? No! The food!
people's food.
What smells like French fries? What is French fries?
I want to burn. I'm gonna go burn down that one.
Go do what you need to.
Might have
Just saw a guy fall out of the damn thing.
All I heard was.
Cut the wood.
Cut the wood!
Cut the
Cut the wood! Oh, no. Cut the wood! Cut the wood!
Cut the wood. Cut the wood.
It's ours now. Protect this. We're beating them. Guard this.
Cut the wood!
We will protect this.
So that's where you're at.
I'm cutting the wood, Charles.
Isaiah, don't forget, you can also chop the tree. Chop the tree. Chop the tree. Chop the tree. Cut the wood.
The wood.
Cut the wood. Cut the wood.
Cut the wood. Ooh. Oh, I thought you were an enemy. I'm sorry.
I ran out of stamina.
I'm sorry,
Didn't
boss.
mean to actually hit you.
Oh, yeah, we've had to burn one over here.
Burn the tree down. Burn the many trees down. Cut the wood. Cut the wood.
I come over there.
I hear people screaming.
It'll be okay.
It must be Christmas already.
Ah!
I burned. Heal yourself. Make sure you don't die by accident.
Ow, you bitch!
Oh, I found it.
Suffered in the year after we struck them.
Congratulations, you collected all the obscurations.
No summer harvest.
Where?
No harvest.
The observables. It would be, if you look up towards the windmill, you'll see something that says to press left bumper or right bumper. I
We got
can't
5
even think
of
right
8.
now. Oh, you got 5 of 8? That's good. I literally needed that one as my last one. I could never find it for some reason. I guess I never checked that.
Never would have thought.
There's one over there too. If you're looking for it still. I did it because I was looking for an achievement that I needed.
6 of 8.
And there's one if you're looking at the big house. The long house.
Yeah, let me go look.
Ragnar has brought us bounty. Will not go hungry.
I just need one more.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So did you look? Okay, so you did just look at the long house.
Yeah. I'm gonna go burn this one over
Turn.
here. There's probably one over here. Ah.
I mean, there was one over here by the back gate. Where I'm at, Isaiah, if you know where I'm at.
Where'd you go?
Hello?
I don't see where you're at.
Oh, you're over there. Okay, down the street, down the street.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Was that it?
Yep. I'm gonna go.
Okay. I mean, did we get everything?
No, there's
we were
one-
looking for one more.
I think we have to check these barrels over here.
I missed! I missed! Are you serious? Because I didn't hit it? Oh, that sucks.
Food is life for our people. God,
The raider was right. The food was here.
Chop the wood.
Chop the wood. Everybody
Chop the wood.
with us. Chop the wood.
Alright, you just keep grabbing some of the fire bombs and shit around.
I think the max is 12.
Okay, do you have 12? Then let's go. I have 7, but that should be more than enough for this fight.
We're gonna burn him.
I had come for more than food. I had come for Ragnar.
I had come for his head.
We have come from Ragnar.
I forgot.
What's going on?
You didn't expect that?
Forgot about. Yeah, I forgot about that.
Face me. Ha. Come on in then.
I've noticed it's like some of the coolest looking like pieces of armor are only in the story mode. Ready, Isaiah?
Cut the wood.
Chop the wood.
Chop the wood. Ah.
No, you're right. Was it chop or cut?
Cut the tree. Cut.
Yeah, cut, chop the tree. Chop the tree. Cut the wood. Alright.
Alright, hold him there. Hold him. Oh, no. Burn us, Charles. Burn us.
Ah, fuck, I burned all of us.
Got him.
Motherfucker, get the fuck back here.
Oh, shit, I forgot.
This one shouldn't be that
The
bad.
one time we have to... and I've got a smudge on my glasses. On my glasses.
Get away.
Oh my gracious. Are you right behind me?
I'm right behind you.
That works.
Fight me! I'm back here, you know. I matter too. Yes.
I'm...
Why won't you die?
Oh, I was about to hit him, but he hit a fucking tree stump instead.
Burn in hell!
This is the one time you see horses in this game.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I think you see them other places. This is the one time you actually ride them. Never mind, I didn't have to deal with him.
Yeah, I saw that too.
He rode up and just got hit immediately. Catch!
No, you're supposed to catch it with your hands.
'Tis I, your reaper.
What you've done is wrong. You feast while all around you people starve. You and your warriors will learn to live like the rest of us. Or you will become food for crows. Child! Might as well ask me to pick up for me! We're Vikings. So that's a no. Valhalla. You're in charge now. Join us. We are with you.
It was that or die.
They
What
weren't much
choice
to
did he
look
really
at.
have?
But they were a start.
He was absolutely gonna die if he chose no.
The first thing that would have happened is he would have swung, I would have blocked, and then he would have died. In that order, he would have just exploded into nothing.
This is a gun. Shh, he's sleeping. Fucking shoots him again.
Fuck it. I'm gonna do... hold on, where is it? I'm gonna do stamina regeneration. Where is it? Or, oh, which one is this one? Unblockable. Your attacks are unblockable for 45 seconds. That could be good during, like... Nah, I want the stamina one.
Charles,
What's up?
man, it would have been cool if whatever you customize your heroes, they'd look like that in the story.
Yeah. I would have mine looking like the old man one that I have made. I'm starting it up. Cause the way mine looks right now, he looks like he would be like the leader of the Vikings.
Hmm.
The same way with like the side characters, like the people that you end up playing, like Valkyrie. She's one of the ones you end up playing as, and I think
Berserker.
Berserker. I think those are the only ones we play as.
No, the sword and shield one. I forget what his name is.
Oh,
Warlord.
Warlord. I actually have them set up really good.
Oh shit! Did I tell you I saw that paranormal movie? Oh wait, hang on, cutscene.
Civ's work.
That's just barbaric.
I've seen you take scalps.
It's different. We'll just wait for your signal then?
That's just barbaric. I've seen you take scalps. That's different. Chop the wood. Chop the wood. Chop the wood. Chop the wood. Chop. Chop.
Chop the wood. Chop the wood. Chop the wood. Hey, hey, wait your turn. Chop the wood. Cut the tree. Cut the tree. Cut the tree.
Why did I swing past him? I'm sorry that I'm leaving you to deal with like that shit over there. I don't know why the hell my guy started swinging towards an enemy that wasn't even near
Prisoners.
him.
I would free them.
I'll deal with him. You get the other one. Yep. It's a slow process, Isaiah.
Wait.
Well, that got quiet quick.
It needs to be done.
Yeah, just fucking kick that shit wide open, why don't you?
Oh yeah, did I tell you I saw that paranormal movie?
Yeah, you were telling me, but the cutscene started.
It actually wasn't bad. It was different from the other one. They actually showed more violent shit.
Like fingers being broken and twisted off.
Not exactly. It was just
Or
more.
dying.
There was more death.
Vikings in cages.
And more blood. And in slow motion.
I'll deal with the guy behind us.
I dealt with the guy already.
Yeah, I know. I heard the screaming, Isaiah. You can't put one over on me.
Oops.
Civ. We had a history.
They were butt buddies.
know it's you!
You took my green crayon in the 4th grade.
I guess that was the signal.
So, I heard nothing when she screamed. Like, it was so quiet.
I actually really like this map.
Here? Where the fuck? Oh. I went the long way around. Where are you, Isaiah?
I am not
Also
sure.
went the wrong way, I see.
Yeah. I'll let you know when I get there.
Choo choo. Oh.
Still going the wrong way.
I ran all that way back just to run back to the front of the goddamn line. And we chop the wood, chop the wood, chop the wood.
And then we take the moon.
And then we take the sun.
And we take the moon.
Fire!
I still got hit even though I wasn't in the blast radius.
What kind of bullshit was that?
I might have a problem here. Never mind. I'm fine.
Well, no less spells, Isaiah. Just heal yourself. Unless you already did, and you're kind of screwed. That's on you.
Oh, he's fine. He's gonna be fine. He'll be fine.
For a second,
sir,
I thought
I
she
think-
was yelling. I thought she was screaming crayon. I don't know why.
What are you doing among the Warborn?
You talk too much.
I told you, it
kinda-
was Steve who took the crayon.
What kind of like Mortal Kombat, like Final, no, not Final Fantasy, but like, what kind of fucking dialogue was that? You talk too much, and then they both get into a fighting stance. Isaiah, no.
That hurts. Ow, that still hurts. Do not get hit by that.
Yeah, I was able to block all of that. If I'm dead.
No.
I think we start at the boss fight, so we don't have to do all that all over again. No, damn it. We have to do it all over again.
Okay, well now we have to take it more seriously.
Okay, Isaiah, go deal with the one side. I'll go deal with the one that I'm at right now.
Alright.
Someone just threw a fucking bottle of fire at me. I'm about to murder whoever that was.
God
You've got...
damn.
You got tackled off?
Yeah. Here. Oh shit! Fuck!
God damn it, man.
Actually, you know what? I think I remember this one being difficult for no reason when I first played it.
Yeah, but we're doing it on Legendary. Just... I'm trying to think of if we should back out and try to find like a different, a secondary perk and something for our secondary. There we go. All right, Isaiah.
I'm really trying to escape here.
Oh, I'm being chased.
Vikings in cages. Unacceptable.
Fucking leave me alone. Yeah, you keep them distracted. I'm coming up to the gate, to the door thing.
There's one behind you. Hurry up.
He waited too long.
Yes, he grabbed me. He grabbed me instead. That's fine.
Civ.
Yes.
Civ. That's all that needs to be said for that scene.
Sin. The raider was actually gonna grab you, Isaiah. I accidentally got grabbed instead, which is the best thing. Isaiah, we didn't grab our fire bombs. I'm grabbing mine.
Shit, yeah.
It's on the other side. Go to where I pick up mine.
They're giving ground. We have them now.
Too far
Where is
back.
it? Oh,
There
yeah,
you go.
okay, I found it. Oof. Just before it
Just in time
completed.
too. I should have healed first. Fuck. I need a backup now.
Got her. Can back her up. Oh.
Yeah. Alright. We just roll. Just roll away from her. Yeah, just keep dodging. Wait until her overshield goes out. Then she should be out of like regular good damage. Chop the wood! No, run! No more chopping wood!
The next time she does it, Charles, go ahead and throw
Back
it.
up, back up.
Nice. Oh shit. Here we go.
She's about to do it again. Yeah, roll back.
My health thing is almost back. Give me a sec.
You. Oh, thank God, Isaiah. You hit it right as I
I'm
needed
not.
it. Fuck. I need to. Let's do that. Just stay away. And that's it for her.
Just get faster in the face.
Oh my God. Why didn't we just do that from the fucking beginning? All we needed to do was dodge the bitch. Fuck.
We forgot the most important move you could ever learn in fighting. Dodge.
Dodge.
Stagander. What took you so long? Finding Vikings you hadn't pissed off. My thanks, warrior. Don't disappoint me, Jarl. Oh, I like you. Now, it was time to take back our birthright.
It would have been funnier if he grabbed someone else's weapon. Like he saw that someone else had a nice and shinier blade, so he grabbed that one instead. Out of the dude's hand, and he's like, hey, what the fuck?
Yeah, that one's mine now.